Hello folks. Well, today I'm going to show you a couple of new toys that I just got for Christmas. First of all, I want to show you and mention how fabulous I think the Firefly Hawkeye Q6 action cam that I've been using on my plane works. This is the second one that I've gotten, so I can mount a forward and aft camera on board for the planes next time. It takes videos and pics in all sizes. I use the 1080p at 60 FPS for my videos. It's a 4K camera and surpasses all my other action cameras, and it's aerodynamic to boot. It shoots burst, time-lapse, can be used to record loop videos for car cams or aerial cams on planes and quads. It shoots 120 degrees and has a fisheye eliminator that can be turned on or off. The program functions are extensive and easy to use even. It comes with a remote device module so you can shoot stills or videos by controlling it with a switch on your transmitter. Well, many folks have asked me what camera I use for my airborne shots, so this is it I'm going to show you. And for the price they cost in Gearbest, I can't complain at $49.99. It also came with a protector to put on the lens to protect it, and it is all quite a unit that records an hour on one charge with its built-in, which is removable, 800 milliamp battery. It also has a built-in gyro for stabilization to boot and supports a micro SD card up to 32 gigabyte. In this shot from this morning, you can see how the camera works in the bright snow on my robo scooter. In the upcoming chase scene video, however, of the robot and tank, you're going to see it was shot before the snow, but it was much colder at minus 11 degrees. Well, in this video, the chase scene was actually shot using the Firefly attached with Velcro to my robo scooter at 11 degrees below zero.
Well, I don't know where he went, but I'm gonna find him. He was just here. I just missed him. I think I hear something over there. I just missed him again. Well, it's not fair he can fly. I'm gonna look in these bushes. I think I just heard him land over there on the trail. I should have been here yesterday. Well, I give up. That darn tank must have beat me home. So that's where I'm going, because it's really cold.
Well, there you saw how all three work together. And since I already showed you the camera, here's a closer look at the tank and the robot. It has a 10-function transmitter, spare folding props, charger, and the transmitter phone clip, and the 1200 milliamp battery are included. The transmitter allows you to rotate the turret left and right 180 degrees, and it's got a switch to run the rotors out and retract them. It also has a free Wi-Fi app that you can connect your phone, and you can fly the thing full FPV. Pretty neat. Okay, right there, it's in altitude hold. Not doing anything, it's just holding it. It's 3 degrees, it's snowing out here today. It's pretty heavy that this thing handles it. It's heavy like a tank. I think it's pretty cool. And to be able to take off and fly whenever you want to. Pretty cool. Okay, let's take a look at the robot. I had an original BB-8 a few years ago, but it got burned up in the fire, so when I saw this one for 26 bucks, I had to have it. So it's pretty ingenious. This one actually has lights in it and talks where my other one didn't. So let's take a look. Now, you know, the one that I had before cost over 100 bucks, and I put lights in my other one, and this has already got lights. Let's put it in the ball and see how it does. Well, I'm a 70-year-old kid and I enjoy playing with this stuff in the winter. Bet you would too. The robot is great fun with my kiddies. The tank is really tough and works well, and I love the cameras. So links are in the description box, so thanks a lot for watching.